Medical laboratories are essential to healthcare. They are the backbone of modern medicine, providing the data and insights that doctors rely on to make informed decisions. They provide crucial information for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases. Without these labs, doctors will be working in the dark, unable to accurately diagnose or treat their patients. These labs perform a wide range of tests, from simple blood tests to complex genetic analyses. Each test is a piece of the larger puzzle of understanding a patient's health. These tests help doctors understand what is wrong with their patients. They provide the evidence needed to confirm a diagnosis or to rule out potential conditions. Think of a medical lab as a detective's lab. Just like detectives solve crimes by piecing together clues, medical labs solve health mysteries by analyzing samples. They analyze samples like blood and tissue. These samples hold vital clues about what is happening inside the body. This helps solve medical mysteries. By understanding the data from these samples, doctors can develop effective treatment plans. Every test result adds a piece to the puzzle of a patient's health. Each piece of data brings doctors one step closer to understanding the full picture. Medical laboratories are the unsung heroes of the healthcare system. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that doctors have the information they need to provide the best care possible. They play a critical role in keeping us healthy. Without their work, the healthcare system would not be able to function effectively. Starting a medical laboratory is a challenging but rewarding endeavor. It requires a deep understanding of science, technology, and healthcare. It allows you to make a real difference in people's lives. By providing accurate and timely test results, you help doctors save lives and improve patient outcomes. Before you start a medical laboratory, you need a plan. Research is crucial. This involves understanding the intricacies of the healthcare industry, the specific needs of your target market, and the latest advancements in medical technology. You need to understand the market. Identify what types of medical tests are in demand in your area. This means analyzing market reports, studying trends, and understanding the competitive landscape. Knowing what your potential clients need will help you tailor your services effectively. There are different kinds of medical laboratories. Some focus on specific areas like pathology or genetics. Each specialization requires different expertise, equipment, and regulatory compliance. Understanding these differences is key to making informed decisions about your lab's focus. Others offer a broader range of services. These labs can cater to a wider audience, but may require more resources and a diverse team of specialists. Balancing the breadth of services with quality and efficiency is crucial. Choosing the right focus for your lab is important. It will determine the type of equipment you need, the staff you hire, and the kind of clients you attract. This decision should align with your research findings and business goals. A well-written business plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This document is essential not only for guiding your operations, but also for securing funding and partnerships. Think of it as your guide to navigating the complex world of healthcare. It helps you stay focused, make informed decisions, and adapt to changes in the market. With thorough research and careful planning, you can build a successful medical laboratory that meets the needs of your community. Starting a medical laboratory involves legalities. You need licenses and certifications to operate legally. These vary depending on your location and the type of lab you want to open. It's crucial to consult with a legal expert. They can guide you through the regulations. They will ensure you comply with all the requirements. Getting the legal aspects right from the start is crucial. It prevents future problems. It also ensures you run your lab ethically and responsibly. Starting a medical laboratory requires money. You'll need funds for equipment, rent, supplies, and staff salaries. Explore your funding options. You can seek loans from banks. You can also look for investors. Sometimes grants are available for healthcare businesses. A detailed financial plan is essential. A solid financial plan will show investors you are serious. It will increase your chances of securing funding. It will also help you manage your finances wisely. Section 5, location and equipment, creating a safe and efficient workspace. The location of your medical laboratory matters significantly. It plays a crucial role in the overall efficiency and accessibility of your services. It should be easily accessible to hospitals and clinics, ensuring that samples can be transported quickly and efficiently. Choose a space that is big enough for your needs, with room for expansion as your operations grow. A spacious lab allows for better organization and workflow. Investing in high-quality equipment is non-negotiable. Advanced machinery ensures precise and reliable results, which is critical for patient care. You will need machines to analyze blood, tissue, and other samples. These machines must be state-of-the-art to provide accurate diagnostics. Safety is paramount. Make sure your lab follows safety protocols rigorously. This includes proper training for staff and regular safety audits. This protects your staff and ensures accurate test results. Adhering to safety standards minimizes the risk of contamination and errors. A well-designed lab improves efficiency and reliability. Streamlined workflows and organized spaces contribute to faster turnaround times and higher quality outcomes. Section 6. Building a skilled team, hiring and training. Your staff is your most valuable asset. Hire qualified and experienced medical technicians and lab assistants. Provide them with thorough training. They need to be updated on the latest technologies and procedures. This ensures they can deliver accurate and reliable test results. A well-trained team is crucial for the reputation of your lab. It also builds trust with healthcare providers who rely on your services. Section 7. Reaching out. Marketing your medical laboratory. Once your lab is operational, you need to let people know about it. Develop a marketing plan. Target healthcare providers in your area. Consider online marketing strategies. You can also attend industry events. Networking with healthcare professionals is important. Building relationships with doctors and clinics is essential for your lab's success. They will be the ones referring patients for testing. Section 8. Conclusion. Making a difference in healthcare. Starting a medical laboratory is not easy. It requires dedication, investment, and a commitment to quality, but it is also incredibly rewarding. You are playing a crucial role in healthcare. You are helping diagnose diseases, monitor treatments, and improve patient outcomes. Your lab has the potential to save lives. Remember that every test you run can make a difference in someone's health journey.